Well, on the first card I managed to close the wrong eye until I'd done 3 shots. Then I swapped over eyes, got my dominant eye, and it's still not great. But there is 4 in the bullseye. So I've got to improve on 4 in the bullseye. So keep going. So I've got to remember to get my stance right, so that I'm face on to the target. I can stand sideways on, but then I've got to make sure my arm's out straight. So I'm going to try adjusting to make sure my arm is straight, and pull my shoulders back. And just go from there. Just keep practicing. So this time I'm going to try to remember to get my direction of my body right. I'm going to try and keep my arms out straight, pulling my shoulders back, and I'm also going to make sure that my thumb or that my fingers are pointing towards the target. And I've taken these instructions off of YouTube. I shall mention the channel briefly if I get any better, but I'm sure with the instructions from the guy that gives these instructions, I'm sure that my aim is going to get better. So we'll try again. I'll try and remember to make sure that I close the left eye and not the right eye. Close the non-dominant eye. Let's see where that got us. Well, obviously, judging by that, it didn't get me too far because I've only got 1 in the centre this time. So, and obviously I'm firing high all the time, so I'm going to try and bring it down by aiming just a little bit lower. Right, should be able to see from there that I've actually almost got 5 in the centre. So slightly better. Still aiming high. So I'm going to try and correct that a little bit. But now I'm going to have a go on my little spinning targets. Right, as you can see from number 4, I'm still too high, so I've got to aim a little bit lower down. I'm still too high. All in the top section. 2 in the bullseye. That's really not good enough, is it? So obviously I've got to aim lower, come lower. Oh yes, we were slightly better on this one. So I've done like the instructor online said, and I brought the gun up to my natural eye light rather than coming into it. And I think I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, possibly 6 in the bullseye. So I am improving. I'm improving. So a little go on the spinny targets just for fun. Looks like it's getting better.